Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Titan 250D to outsmart backshot attacks in GTA Online. So let me just get to my Titan here. And as you can see, it is a pretty big plane. I think this is a 16-seater plane. So let me just get to flying real quick. Start this up. Now, for this trick I'm about to teach you, you do need 2 people for this. And right now I'm playing solo. However, I'm just gonna teach you how to do it. Basically the essence of it. So once we're up in the air. So basically what you want to do is just go into the turret. And when you press B or circle on PlayStation to exit the gun cam, for about a split second, you are able to shoot wherever your camera is facing. So to shoot behind you, you have to look very quickly, exit very quickly out of the cam, and look back by pressing C or right stick on the PlayStation and quickly fire. So go to the gun cam or the turret, go to the turret and the gun cam. So for example, this is the gun cam. Okay, right here. And then once you exit, you are able to fire immediately. Okay, so if you are in the players, or so if you are in the turret, so for example I am in the turret right now, I will go to the gun cam, I will exit. Once I exit, I will press C or right stick on PlayStation and then quickly fire. So I'll do it like this. Okay, so the timing is really tight, so you might want to practice this before using it in a real dogfight. So once you do this, okay, once you exit, immediately look back. Okay, or while in the gun cam, you might want to hold C to fire immediately. Okay, but you cannot do this in this gun cam, in this the 40mm cannon. You can only do it in the 105 and 25 cannon. So by exiting this, okay, I can't do it. Gonna try again. Okay, since it's reloading, I'm just gonna try again. Yeah, the timing is very tight on that, so you might want to practice this before using it. And yeah, that is how you outsmart or counter backshot attacks in GTA Online using the Titan 250D. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.